Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So have you seen this Maybelline's new collection, which is the Gigi Hadid Maybelline collection? And Maybelline for the first time has collaborated with Gigi Hadid and they have this limited edition. So I got this eyeshadow, which is the Gigi Hadid Maybelline New York eyeshadow, and this is the warm shade. So let's see how this eyeshadow is and let's start the review. So to start off with, I just love the packaging. The color is so nice and it's so chic, and it comes in a box like this. You can see all the shades, so they have 6 shades, and I will open this and I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like. As again, they have 6 shades. They have 2 to 3 matte shades, that's what I can see, and they have these 3 shimmery champagne-ish eyeshadows. And this retails for about 7.99 rupees. And so this is, again, it's a warm tone. They have 2 tones in this. One is the cool one and the warm one. I got the warm one. And let's swatch this and see. So the first color here, it's called Blonde. I'm just going to swatch this. It is really shimmery, so let's try this. So guys, this is the first shade. It's called Blonde, and it's like a champagne-ish, goldenish shade. It is pretty smooth. So my second shade that I'm going to try is called Montecito. It's a blush pinkish tone. I'm going to swatch this. So this is a very natural blush pinkish peachish tone. So the third shade is called Summerland. So this is also again the shimmery eyeshadow, this color. I'll swatch this. So this is the third one, Summerland. The next one is Paradise Cove. This is the beige color. So this is again the matte eyeshadow. Let's swatch this. This is slightly darker than this one. And the next shade is called Firehouse, and this is the shade. Let's swatch this. Firehouse. Moving on to our last shade, it's called Pacific Coast Highway. So this is the dark brown matte shade. It's this one. I'm going to swatch this now. This is really dark and pigmented. So this is the chocolatey brownish dark color. So guys, this is good for your everyday purpose, and if you want to go out at night, you can always use the darker color and you can just glam up your look. So all in all, I think I love this collection by Gigi Hadid. The colors are pretty, it's very smooth, and the texture is really nice. So it's a total yes from me, and you can go get this eyeshadow. I think it's available on Nykaa or any beauty store. Guys, don't forget to like this video, and if you have any more reviews, or if you want to tell me anything about this eyeshadow, comment in the section down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.